Okay, so I have this really cool canvas that was sent to me by Art by Maestro. And you can follow him on Instagram. I'll put a link down to his website in my video description. But this canvas is a little bit different than your normal canvas. It's three-dimensional. So I'm not sure if you guys can see. There's a raised area, flat surface in the middle. And I figured let's give it a try with a ring pour or straight pour, however it might be. And the colors I'm going to use again are this bluish gray, permanent violet, and Naples yellow that I mixed with a bit of white to tone it down a little bit. I'm also using anthraquinone blue and 24K gold by DecoArt Extreme Sheen. So my base will end up being a white, which is Artist Loft Flow White, and I'll put that on here after we layer the cup. So we're gonna start with some of the Naples yellow. And some gold. Use a little more than that. There we go. We've already done a painting before this, so my workstation is a wee bit messy. All right, and the anthraquinone blue. A little bit of gold in there. I don't want to overdo it with the gold. Sometimes that will happen. And come in with the blue gray, the bluish gray by Amsterdam. Maybe just that, and that'll be all we're gonna add to that cup. Just get some things out of the way. Maybe I'll use this cream color, maybe not. No, we're just gonna stick with the white. And we're gonna do this pour. All right, now it's obviously going to each side. Nothing I can do about that. back to this side. Come in right here and finish off what's in my cup. Sort of looks silly and random there in the middle, but hopefully I'm really stretching these cells out over here. And I know you can't see, and I'm sorry, but it's the only way I can stretch this. Bring this over here a bit. I want to stretch out those cells over here. Maybe get them over the hump. If that helps, maybe. Not sure, but we're gonna bring it on back. So I think we're gonna just leave it as is. Yeah. And I'm gonna fill in this area with some of the anthraquinone blue. And if I need to make more, I may have to. So let me do that, and we will bring you guys in for a final. Okay, so as you can see, I filled in the white areas with anthraquinone blue, and that's going to dry fairly dark. So I'm really interested in seeing how this continues to move. Obviously, it's going to continue moving because it is higher at the top and then comes down at a slanted grade. And because of that, this keeps moving, but it's not moving very quickly at this point. It's almost like the mix pouring medium that I used helped keep it, I don't know, sort of set up. What I want to say is that the mixed pouring medium seems to set up a little bit faster than Floetrol, which I like for this situation because there isn't much movement left going on this canvas. But I'm super interested in seeing what else transpires, so maybe we'll come back and take a look at this in just a little bit.